So it's all your support and Lord Vajraga's blessings. And also last 2 years, Ganesh Ram and Sajeev, as a chairman, Ganesh Ram and Sajeev, as a president, they did a great job, excellent leadership, and they were there, they showed how the leadership should be. And they were there in all times, goods, bads, everything, everywhere, wherever temple needs help, they were here. And also, by the grace of Lord Vajraraja, each and every management up to this, we are getting like that. So now it's time to hand over the temple keys to new management. And Ganesh Ram is happy, I am relieved. No, you are not relieved, no. You are not relieved. Please, Chairman. Om Namo Namo Bhavati Jaya Manon Anketu Tasa Mechitre This is for you. Yo Vidadadhyayan Chandrama Astirati Kamayu Rochano Rochamana Shobana Shobamana Sanjana Satasana Gavarano Devana Nakatrana Nandrika Sekvasikta O Devevya Swadati Kamayu
GP.
Om Dhamma Raja Varana Sumandeva Brahspati.
Yeah, GP. Yeah.
This is the best part of our temple. There is a transfer of power. It's called one outgoing versus incoming. This is the best part of our temple.
Okay, this plaque is presented to outgoing chair Ganesh Ramji. The Hindu Society of Minnesota Certification of Appreciation presented to Ganesh Ram, Chairman 2425. The Hindu Society of Minnesota conveys its heartfelt gratitude and deep appreciation for your outstanding and exemplary service to the temple and the community. We extend our thanks for your continued and committed efforts. Signed by the chairman, it's me, and Suresh Thakot, president. Thank you, Ganesh. No, President. Good President and host.
Om Shatamanam Bhavarashadaya Purnamidendriya Ayushrevendriya Pratishtati
You know, Sajeev, he was very close to me. He was like my younger brother. So, Sajeev, this is a certificate of appreciation presented to Sajeev Jagannathan, President, 2425. The Hindu Society of Minnesota extends heartfelt gratitude for your exceptional leadership and your exemplary service to both temple and community. We thank you for your remarkable leadership and commitment. Signed by Rao Garu and myself.
Thank you, Sajid. Car keys.
Om Namo Namo Bhagavate Jayamanonnam Ketavasasa Metyate Bhagam Devebhyo Vitadadhyayan Pachandramas Kalajidikhramayuhu.
Sripadji. This is the real key, Sajid. Thank you. I gave my BMW now. Sripadji.
Srimad Devaraju for last 2 years did an excellent job leading religious committee and standing there in all times wherever we need. We are very thankful to Srimad Devaraju to be part of this organization and also holding the religious chair for last 2 years.
Certificate of appreciation presented to Sripad Devaraju. Hindu Society of Minnesota conveys its heartfelt gratitude and deep appreciation for your understanding and exemplary service to the temple and community. We extend our thanks for your committed efforts. Thank you, Sripadji.
And also, as usual, we can announce our annual event and also what is the plans for our 2026, right? So our religious calendar is out and it's available there. So please, everyone take one calendar and keep it at home. It has all details what's going to be happening in the temple. Please take one home today. And also, we are this year we are planning to make a silver door to Lord Vandarana. We have already a committed donor, Narayanan, Vinita Narayanan. Yeah, Narayanan and he's already donated $23,000 yesterday. And I don't know, you all know that silver prices are very high. He said that don't worry, Mama, we will do it. I am going to do it. We will gather and we will do it. So we are going to do that. Another project, the major project that we are going to do it. A lot of the story is going to be silver. And also, our temple annual event is going to be on June
You'll stand this way so everybody can see.
13th and 14th. It's a Friday, Saturday and Sunday. You all know that every year we do a special event, and this year we are embarking the 20th anniversary of temple. 2 decades we have completed in this temple. It's very, very important to do this celebration in a grand way. The theme of this year's anniversary is Devi Vaibhava Utsava. So where we are going to worship Devi and also giving a first row to all the women in Minneapolis. All those 3 rows, these 3 days, men will stay behind. And all women will be in the front. So please be prepared and mark your calendar. And more details is going to follow. We will develop more details and we will tell you more details. Devi Vaibhava Utsavam, June 12th to June 14, 2026. Thank you. And also, each and every devotee is sponsoring and doing all the in the Tanu Marathana, everything. So today's all flowers that you see, all got sponsored by Meena Janardana. Stand up, Meena.